can I help you?
Yes, my name's Patrick. I was trying to speak to...
Yes.
This is Patrick. We offer a non-toxic dry cleaning system that cuts costs, eliminates hazardous waste, and includes full technical and marketing support.
Mm-hmm.
Have you considered switching over to a safe and eco-friendly option for your dry cleaning system?
What is your dry cleaning, you said?
Yes.
Is it the carbohydrate?
No, it's a so the way our solution's made from pure liquid silicone, which is an odorless, non-toxic fluid that's also found in personal care products like hair conditioners, sunscreen, moisturizers, and anti-aging products.
Mm-hmm.
And it's guaranteed not to contaminate the property, and it's not regulated by the EPA.
Okay.
So we're the only sustainable, environmentally non-toxic option for dry cleaning. A lot of others are carbon-based and considered ground contaminant or volatile organic compounds.
Mm-hmm.
And being environmentally non-toxic will allow you to eliminate hazardous waste fees and other regulatory expenses. And dry cleaners who switch to our process have saved over 50% in utilities. So how important is environmental sustainability in your dry cleaning process?
And then how's the quality of the clothes when it's coming out?
The quality is very good because we're the most recommended dry cleaning process by retailers for effective dry cleaning system,
mm-hmm.
which attracts eco-conscious consumers, helps colors stay bright, and clothes last longer. So that's a hot.
Well, here's the thing. I can give you my email, and then you can just email me the all info I need to study, and that's not it. And I have business partners. It's not just me.
Okay. Are you one of the partners though?
I'm one of the partners, but
okay.
It's just I need to discuss with the others.
Okay.
So I'm going to study. I'm going to talk to them, and then if we want it, we're going to get back to you guys.
Okay. Well, at this stage, we just want to do a consultation with you. Just kind of help you learn. So then when you talk when you talk to your partners, you'll know about us. First off, what is your email?
@yahoo.com.
Okay, so your first name _@yahoo.com?
Yes.
Okay, so my business development manager, her name, she's the one who's going to be reaching out to you. I kind of give you a brief introduction about it, and then she can talk to you in more detail of how it works. So she's going to send you the email.
Right, the email, so I can read it. I can share it with the other business partners that I have, and then I understand you're going to explain it, but if I have something like a document I can share with my business partner, would be better because when whatever you tell me, and I'm going to tell them, I'm not going to missing something,
Yeah. So
that would be better.
Well, this is what I'm saying.
Because the email is going to be good.
Yeah. So we're going to definitely send you an email. But what I was going to say is, would you be would you be open to doing a phone call with her after you read the email for a couple of days? Could we put a phone call for Thursday, the 21st?
Okay. Yeah. Let her call me.
Okay. And then you'll have time to read over it, and then she can answer your questions. What time Pacific time would be good on Thursday to talk?
I really don't know. I can't tell you exactly time because I'm always in the fund. I'm not going to be. I don't know what time I'm going to be busy or not. But just let her call me and then I'll figure it out. No worries.
Well, could we call you? What time do you get there? Because we can call you.
You can call after 11.
Okay, so can we put on the calendar for 11:30 Pacific time?
Okay, sure.
Okay, and then just before I let you go, I know you're busy. So we put the information in the email better for you. Do you dry clean on the premises?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What solvent do you currently use now?
What do you mean with the promises? Can you just tell me what you mean with the promises?
When do you dry clean on site on the premises? Do you have to go to a different plant? Do you dry clean on site on the premises?
No, I clean it in my plant right here.
So your plant right here. Okay, good.
Yeah.
So how many locations do you have?
At this moment, 4.
Okay. So you clean at the plant that I'm talking to you right now. Is that the one on? Okay. And then are your other locations? How many of your locations are plants?
I have 2 plants.
Okay. So you have 2 plants, and then And then right now you dry clean on your.
Do you guys have any location in LA that using your product or using your dry cleaning?
Yes. We've been in business for 25 years. So
which one is the closest for me? I can check it out.
Well, she'll give you examples of because you're in Southern California, so we can give you examples. So you have 2 plants, and then you dry clean on one of your plants right now. Okay. So what about this? What solvent are you currently using?
The DH2000.
You're using DF2000. DF2000. Okay. Are you in the market for buying a newer used machine?
No, I'm really up to date. It's just recently I bought the one.
Okay. All right. Again, we're just giving you an introduction right now, anyway. So, okay. So, all right, great. So we'll send you an email, and then she'll give you a calendar invite for the phone call for the 21st at 11:30.
Okay.
All right. We'll talk to you then.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.